Removing a ding or medium-sized dent no longer means taking time off, costly insurance deductibles, and being without your wheels. DingSmith offers a better and easier solution. PDR, or Paintless Dent Removal, is a superb, cost-effective, and less time-consuming option than some of those messy and usually more expensive services offered by auto body shops. DingSmith costs up to 50% less than what an auto body shop would charge. PDR is the process of using specialized tools and restorative methods to massage just about any smaller to mid-sized damage, making creases and dents and dings practically disappear on any panel of a vehicle, like damage to a roof or hood or trunk panels. Our craftsmen utilize decades of experience to carefully remove smaller to medium-sized dents, dings, and hail damage, restoring your ride's full luster usually in a few hours. And if our costs exceed an insurance deductible, we work with all insurance carriers. We offer a lifetime warranty, and if you are not satisfied with our work, we won't charge you. That's our DingSmith performance guarantee. Even the Wall Street Journal gave DingSmith high marks on getting the job done, backed up by our lifetime guarantee.
Hi, I'm David Woodard. For over 20 years, the craftsmen at DingSmith have been removing life's unexpected dents and dings. Just text us a picture of your dent and we'll get you a quote right away.